Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's that time of year again. It's the most start singing. It's the Christmas circus season, so it's time for those festive shows. And in today's video, we are off to Gandeys Snowstorm at the Trafford Centre in Manchester. Snowstorm is like circus and an ice skating show mixed into one. With all that, it's all Christmassy obviously, because it's a Christmas show. And this year's Snowstorm is called Wish, so that sounds great, very festive. It's the first time I've seen a Gandeys Snowstorm production, so I'm looking forward to it. Let's go. is it for today's video, and wow, what a great show Snowstorm is. Definitely recommend it. If you'd like to see Snowstorm in real life, I'll leave a link below for all their social medias and their website. Definitely worth a visit. They're on to the 3rd or the 4th of January. I think it's the 4th because that's a Sunday. So definitely worth coming down, a great Christmas treat. And if you've enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe and press that bell so you don't miss a thing. And I'll see you in the next one.